Welcome to your new Cubby Bed. Follow these setup instructions and you'll be on your way to better sleep and safer nights in no time. Your Cubby Bed will arrive in a few different boxes. Begin by laying all of the parts out on your floor for easy access as you assemble the bed. Start by making the vertical sides of the bed in two sections. Slide pole number 2 through connector number 10 so that the connector sits above the bolt. Repeat with connector number 9. The connector tabs should be on the inside of your assembly. Next, insert pole number 4 into the number 9 and number 10 connectors. Then, insert 4 number 20 screws into the number 9 and number 10 connectors and tighten them with a hex key. Repeat to make 2 sets. Now, insert one number 3 pole into each side of the number 7 connector. Align the velcro to face the same direction and tighten with screws. Insert the tube you just assembled into the number 9 and number 10 connectors, aligning the velcro so it's facing down, then tighten with the screws. Repeat this process for the other side of the bed. Next, you'll assemble the frame for the slats by following their included instructions. Place the frame onto the bed and do not peel off the white tape. The tabs should be on the inside corners of the slat frame, and it should rest fully on the length of the bed frame. Then, secure it with the Velcro straps, and then put the slats into place. Now you're ready to set up the canopy frame. Build the short side of the canopy frame by inserting one number 1 pole into 2 number 8 connectors. Lightly tighten with screws, and then repeat the process for the other side. Next, slide one of the assemblies onto the number 2 vertical corner poles. Line up the connectors on both sides at the same time to make it easier to push them all the way down. And be careful not to pinch your fingers. Finally, fully tighten them with screws. Now you'll build the arch connectors for the long side of the canopy frame. Insert 2 number 5 poles into the number 8 corner connectors and join them in the middle with the number 6 connector. Then tighten with screws. Repeat this process to build the other side of the arch, and then do a final tighten of all of the screws. Next, it's time to put that comfy mattress on. Once you've done that, take the fabric canopy and orient it on the frame. The Velcro skirt will be at the bottom, and the smile zippers should be facing up. Wrap one of the top horizontal end sleeves around the pole and secure it with a buckle to help hold the canopy before zipping the sleeve over the pole. Then repeat this process with the other side. Next, repeat that process to attach the canopy to the curved poles. Then zip the corner sleeves around the 4 vertical poles. Unzipping and stretching the doors can make this easier. Now, secure the bottom skirt to the frame with the Velcro. If the door zippers are hard to close, adjust the bottom Velcro to make it easier. If you have a tech hub, zip it into the canopy and watch our dedicated tech hub assembly and setup video for additional details. If you don't have one, make sure to use the fabric zipper cover instead and secure it to the canopy using one of the included locks. Now grab the blue pieces of fabric to add some finishing touches. Start by attaching the number 16 pieces of fabric to the top corners. When facing the smile door, the fabric labeled 1 goes on the left and the fabric labeled 2 goes on the right. To orient them correctly, start by attaching the silver button on the fabric to the silver button on the canopy. Then snap on the other 3 black buttons. Next, wrap the 4 number 15 pieces of fabric around the poles on the feet of the bed. Finally, stick the 2 cubby eyes on the Velcro circles above each door. You can now use the number 24 canopy straps to secure either the fabric door or both the mesh and fabric doors when you would like them rolled up. Finally, connect the safety sheets to the interior zipper skirt on the canopy and secure them with the provided lock to prevent your kiddo from removing it. Do not use regular sheets, and do not use the bed without the safety sheet zipped and locked in place. When closing the cubby, hide the interior zipper with the safety pockets so it is not accessible from the inside of the bed. You can also use the number 17 S-clips to secure the zipper to the loops on the door. Your Cubby Bed is now set up and ready for you and your loved one to enjoy. We hope it provides you both with the safer nights and better sleep you've been looking for.